Hello and welcome to IT from BD. And now today I'll show you how to find any YouTube video stack without any apps. Before doing this, I like to say you that in many videos in this concept, some they recommend you apps called HTML viewer. Okay, yes, this HTML viewer apps they will recommend you in many videos, but I tried it and I found it not useful. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like that I am a Mission Impossible fan. Okay, so Mission Impossible, I will look for a trailer of Fallout. Okay, I hope you are a Mission Impossible fan too, and Tom Cruise. Okay, let's share with HTML viewer, view source. See, it is not working. It is saying that this web page is not available. Okay, that's why I don't find this method is useful for you. Now I am showing a easier way to find the tag of this video without any apps. Just you have to copy the link. I give a link in the description. Go to the link. It is onlinefreetools.com. Paste your YouTube video URL here. Prove that you are not a robot. I hope a robot is not watching my video. Find the text. Okay, here we are. All the text of that video showing there, and you can copy it from here as you want. Anything like that. Just copy text for YouTube. It is just perfectly organized for you. So finding a YouTube video tag is very important for YouTube search result ranking, YouTube optimization and SEO as well as. I hope that it will be helpful for you. No more today. Wish you are safe. Thank you.